Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure through the vibrant world of Portuguese cuisine. Our focus, Portuguese seafood rice. If you haven't tasted this delectable dish, you're in for a treat. And even if you're familiar with it, we've got some surprising facts to share. Before we dive into those lesser-known facts, let's start by preparing the ingredients for this delightful dish. You'll need fresh seafood, arborio rice, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and some secret spices. Now, let's explore some intriguing facts about Portuguese seafood rice. Fact number 1. The roots of Portuguese seafood rice are deeply connected to the country's coastal regions. Portugal's extensive coastline provides a bounty of fresh seafood, making this dish a staple in many coastal towns and villages. While our delicious seafood rice is simmering, let's move on to the second surprising fact. Portuguese seafood rice is a versatile dish with regional variations. In the Algarve region, for instance, it's often cooked with an extra dose of spices and chili, while in the north, it may include unique seafood selections, giving it a distinct twist. Our seafood rice is ready. Let's move on to the third intriguing fact. Portuguese seafood rice was a part of the rice revolution that transformed Portuguese cuisine in the 15th century. Rice became a key ingredient, introduced by explorers who traveled to Asia and Africa. It's tasting time, but before we dig in, let's explore the fourth captivating fact. This dish is a true seafood medley, featuring a diverse array of ocean treasures like shrimp, mussels, clams, and often a dash of flavorful fish. The combination of flavors creates a harmonious and rich taste experience. Portuguese seafood rice is also known as Arroz de Marisco in some regions. This name reflects its connection to the sea, translating to seafood rice. It's a reminder of the dish's coastal heritage. Portuguese seafood rice is often considered a celebratory dish. It's served at special occasions like weddings, anniversaries, and family gatherings, making it a symbol of togetherness and joy. Now that we've enjoyed our meal, let's talk about the best pairings for Portuguese seafood rice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different seafood combinations. You can add your favorite seafood ingredients to create a personalized version of this classic dish. It's all about your taste preferences. To make a vegan or vegetarian version, simply replace the seafood with plant-based alternatives like king oyster mushrooms, artichokes, or even tofu for a unique and satisfying twist on this traditional recipe. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the historical influences that have shaped Portuguese seafood rice. The use of rice, aromatic spices, and seafood, in particular, has a Mediterranean touch that can be traced back to this period. Now, let's explore the nutritional benefits of this seafood rice. Seafood, as you know, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health. Enjoying this dish not only satisfies your taste buds but also provides essential nutrients that are good for your overall well-being. The culinary world is full of delightful surprises, and Portuguese seafood rice is no exception. In Lisbon, the dish might be creamier, while in the Algarve region, it could be spicier, often with the addition of piri-piri sauce. These regional distinctions highlight the diversity of this dish in Portugal. Portuguese seafood rice is deeply rooted in tradition. Many Portuguese families pass down their own versions of seafood rice through generations, preserving the unique flavors of their ancestors. It's a tradition that keeps the love for this dish alive. Let's delve into the art of cooking Portuguese seafood rice and some insider tips. The rice should be cooked just right, not too mushy but still creamy. Seafood, on the other hand, needs to be cooked to perfection, not overdone. In Portugal, many seafood restaurants take pride in using the freshest, seasonal catches in their seafood rice. Depending on the time of year, you might find different types of seafood taking the spotlight, making each visit to a seafood restaurant a unique experience. Finally, let's share some personal stories about Portuguese seafood rice. From romantic dinners on the Portuguese coast to cherished family gatherings, these stories highlight the emotional connection people have with this dish. There you have it, an even deeper dive into the world of Portuguese seafood rice, from the art of cooking it to the seasonal variations, and the influence of Portuguese colonies. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an adventurous home cook, this dish offers endless opportunities for exploration. If you enjoyed this video and want more culinary adventures from around the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share your own seafood rice experiences and stories in the comments below. Until next time, continue your culinary journey, explore new flavors, and savor every delicious bite. Happy cooking! And as they say in Portugal, bom apetite!